We're just 9 days away from Christmas, and while you might be thinking about food, family, friends, presents, and how to decorate your Christmas tree, I want to make sure that you know how to use your 3D printer this Christmas. And in today's video, Michael and I are going to do just that. We're going to show you 5 of the coolest 3D printed Christmas themed items that will make Christmas just the most wonderful time of the year.
The first Christmas 3D prints that we chose were ornaments. They can be very simple or very complex. Depending on how much filament you have, you can either use very little filament or a lot of filament. As you can see on the tree, they look very, very nice. And they're very simple. The creator of this 3D print is Chiron21 from Bamboo Makerworld. And we're going to leave his link to these in the description. He actually has a lot more ornaments to choose from. And if you actually don't like his ornaments, or if you want to make more custom, personalized ornaments with your names, or maybe a year or something like that, Bamboo Makerworld actually recently came out with a brand new ornament maker on their website. So we do recommend you check that out.
We also designed a really cool gift box design that you could 3D print to fit any present. In this case, I'll 3D print one that fits gift cards.
In order to actually assemble the design, you're going to need a piece of ribbon, the 2 pieces provided on my Bamboo Makerworld file, and the actual gift card you're going to put inside. The first step is to grab the base of the gift box, and then you're going to put the gift card inside and fold up 3 sides of the box, and then the last side you'll flip with the lid of the box. And then once you put the lid on, it'll just hold the other sides in place. And then you're going to tie it together.
So the next 3D printed object is this Christmas tree card. Basically, these are all individual pieces that you pull out and put together to form a Christmas tree. Let me show you how it works. So here is the key card itself, and basically you just start ripping off the pieces. Now that you've taken off all the pieces off the main key card, it's time to start assembling the tree. Now the tree is completed and it looks really nice, and it's just a nice little thing to put maybe on a desk as a decoration, maybe just out in a little space that needs a little decoration for Christmas, and it just comes out really cool. And you can size this up a little bit bigger just to get the tree to be a little bigger, but I actually think this is the perfect size. Now, if you want to get this, it's actually on Makerworld by a creator by the name of Matthew G. And we're going to leave his link down in the description.
Another item we made was actually a gift wrap cutter based on the little elf item from Shark Tank, because I thought I could make some modifications to it so I could also 3D print it. And it came out actually really well. Here's a demonstration.
So as you can see here, I have my roll of wrapping paper and my item. And what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to put in my item just from the side and line up the paper with the blade. And then once I do, I could just slide it through. And not only is this quicker, but it comes out straighter than with scissors.
So the next 3D printed item are these cookie cutters. The first one is a gingerbread man. The second one is a PMP logo. And the third one is a Christmas tree. I modeled all of these on Fusion 360 and I printed them out right now. Now it's time to bake these cookies and see how they come out. So here is how the cookies ended up coming out. Here's the PMP one. It came out decently good, just a little bit of lack of detail on the top. Here's the Christmas tree. And here's the gingerbread man. I'm very satisfied with how this came out. And I was very surprised that the 3D prints could actually pretty easily cut through the dough. Now there's only one thing that I recommend you do if you do this. Use a lot of flour, especially on the 3D prints that have impressions, because the dough tends to get stuck to it. Now, for the moment of truth, you gotta test it. Oh wow, that does taste really good. So not only does it look really cool, it tastes really good.
But we couldn't leave you guys hanging with just 5 items. We decided to add 2 more items to the list, calling them honorable mentions. The first one being this lithophane of the Nativity. There are many like them on Bamboo Lab, but this is the best one I found because it's just so simple. This model is made by P&M Prints, and it's normally supposed to be put on a windowsill to be illuminated by the sky, but because it's dark outside, I'm just going to show how it illuminates using my room light. And so it just shines light through the North Star and through baby Jesus' halo. Lastly, I would like to mention 9%, who made a really cool Christmas tree balancing game. Unfortunately, I didn't print it because I didn't have the right colors for it, but I would highly recommend you print it because it's really cool for family occasions.
Thank you for watching to this part of the video. If you really enjoyed this video and found some value or at least entertainment out of this video, then we'd appreciate it if you liked and subscribed. On top of that, also let us know which of these 3D prints was your favorite and which one you're going to try out. We recommend you also watch last week's video where Pablo made the perfect wallet. We hope you guys have a Merry Christmas and we'll see you guys next week.